If you're watching this channel, we assume that you already know who Warren Buffett is. If you don't, then you must be living under a rock. The Oracle of Omaha is widely regarded as one of the most successful investors of all time, and he has amassed his wealth through various investments and disciplined financial habits. He firmly believes that bad money habits will lead you nowhere, and every investor should strive to eliminate this in order to succeed. But how exactly do you eliminate bad money habits? Stick around to find out. Buffett argues that many people overlook negative financial habits, which in turn sabotages their chances of achieving wealth. However, he remains optimistic, asserting that while eliminating bad money habits may seem daunting, it's entirely possible to replace them with positive ones. Let's take it from Buffett himself, who stands out among billionaires not for his extravagant lifestyle, but for his modest living choices. Despite his substantial wealth, which is estimated to be around $16 billion, he continues to reside in a house he purchased for $31,000 back in 1957, prefers conventional modes of transportation over a private jet, and opts for leisurely activities like playing bridge rather than hosting lavish parties. Even today, he also remains committed to expanding his knowledge, particularly in the realm of investments. As you can see, Buffett has done all the work to ensure a successful financial journey. Even a man as rich as himself has remained diligent to his healthy habits, and so should you. That being said, let's dive deeper into Buffett's advice in eliminating bad money habits. At first glance, the habit of mindful spending may appear trivial, but according to statistics, more than 65% of individuals lack proper money management skills. Warren Buffett has echoed this sentiment multiple times, highlighting how people often contemplate spending money they haven't yet earned. In response, Buffett advises a shift in perspective, evaluating future purchases not solely in monetary terms, but in terms of the time and effort required to earn that money. Buffett recommends a simple yet effective exercise. Calculate the number of hours worked in a month and the corresponding income earned. Then, assess the worth of each hour of work and compare it to the price of the desired item. For instance, if one earns $4,000 monthly but desires a $40,000 Tesla, they should consider whether the expenditure aligns with the time invested in earning that amount. This approach encourages individuals to reflect on the true value of their purchases and make informed decisions about their finances. Buffett also emphasizes the importance of proactive financial planning, regardless of income level. He advises individuals to meticulously track both income and expenses, emphasizing that even a substantial sum like $1 million requires diligent management to avoid squandering it unknowingly. According to Buffett, failing to keep tabs on expenses can result in financial mismanagement and eventual loss. Buffett advocates that the most valuable investment one can make is in oneself. This entails upgrading skills and obtaining a quality education, as these factors can substantially boost income potential. Employers often seek individuals with expertise, preferring candidates who require minimal training. Such individuals command higher salaries. Moreover, for aspiring entrepreneurs, competence in business and its operations is indispensable. Knowledge and skills serve as invaluable assets that empower individuals in both employment and entrepreneurship endeavors. Buffett emphasizes the importance of continually acquiring knowledge and skills, as they are assets that can never be stripped away. Gathering as many of these assets as possible is key to personal and professional growth. The second common mistake made by many poor people revolves around credit cards. While credit cards can offer convenience and aid in purchases when funds are limited, their high interest rates far outweigh any benefits. Failing to repay credit card debts on time can lead to substantial financial burdens. Buffett advises people to carefully assess their credit card spending by calculating the total amount spent annually on interest payments. This exercise often reveals surprising figures, highlighting the detrimental impact of accumulating credit card debt. Buffett recommends prioritizing the elimination of credit card spending. By doing so, individuals can curtail the habit of spending beyond their means and save a significant sum of money. These savings can be allocated towards valuable investments, such as education. Another common expense for financially struggling people is the pursuit of the latest technology gadgets. While new gadgets may seem enticing, they often represent marketing ploys of the modern world designed to create desire for the latest products. However, if one is truly committed to financial improvement, it's essential to assess one's capabilities and the necessity of acquiring new gadgets. In many cases, individuals may find that their current gadgets are still fully functional and do not require replacement. Warren Buffett, for instance, prioritizes functional technology over the allure of the latest gadgets. If he sees that a new product offers little to no practical advantage over what he already possesses, he sees no reason to make the purchase, despite being one of the wealthiest people in the world. Spending on eating and drinking out is a common habit, particularly among poor people. However, if one is determined to achieve financial prosperity, it's crucial to reconsider this indulgence, especially during the journey towards financial freedom. While socializing and enjoying oneself are essential aspects of life, replacing dining out with socializing at home can significantly impact financial health without compromising emotional well-being. By prioritizing home-based social activities, individuals can save a considerable amount of money while still nurturing meaningful connections with friends and family. Have you observed that many of the wealthiest individuals, like Warren Buffett, tend to dress simply? This is particularly true for those aiming to move away from poverty. Avoiding flashy and cheap brands is advisable, as often you're paying more for the name on the clothing than its actual quality. Remember, clothes are just fabric, and there are plenty of alternatives in stores that are just as good as the brand names. Another expense that can burden financially struggling individuals is unused gym memberships. Surprisingly, statistics reveal that approximately 80% of individuals who purchase gym memberships end up quitting. Fitness networks often entice customers with cheap offers, claiming that you can buy a yearly or 6-month membership at an attractive price. However, many people ultimately stop going to the gym, resulting in wasted money. Warren Buffett advocates for an active lifestyle but cautions against unnecessary spending on unused gym memberships. If you find yourself in this situation, Buffett suggests exploring alternative options. Rather than committing to a yearly membership that you may not use, consider exercising for free at home or outdoors. Additionally, you could opt for a monthly subscription that requires you to actively attend the gym each month, ensuring that you're only paying for the services you use. The pathway to financial success for every wealthy individual is laid out before they rest at the end of the day. Unfortunately, many financially struggling people neglect this practice. However, by adhering to this routine, one can create a clear roadmap for success. Well, that's about it for today's video. Let us know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Do consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.